Chila la sabe sino Fortune Nkwanyana. Hey. Ade ngibuza isithazelo sakhe manje ukuthi uyikode. Ayis not uyikode uzikode. Nkwanyana sikubingelele.
Ngibingelele nabalaleli bonke emakhaya sibonga ithuba enisipha lona umsakazo wesikhondla khondlo kade futhi wabakhona nawe sithi congratulations man. 10 years is not a small thing. That's
uthatha indaba
yeah yabona mengabulalela umsakazo usizakale noma usukwenzeka uthola ithuba lokuthi invite kuwona ungahambe eceleni komuqa la kuyikhona khona abantu bahamba khona.
Indoda you made it wafika ngempela
umusa kaNkulunkulu sithathwa sibeke
sure
siphakathi manje sifikile sithi nakubona abantu bonke bala endaweni asithi nathi asibancinyane ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sizohostwa yinina la ku radio quiz.
No imini ngizibona ngancinyane. Akukho ukuhamba naye la ipartner yakho kwibusiness.
Yes njengoba nguFortune Nkwanyana there's multiple businesses involved kuwona ngihamba nomfowethu lana usanele wakamdluli who's also an entrepreneur. Naye he heads up a business lakhe which is doing very well. It's a multimedia business. It's called a multimedia business. So all of these things include working with people who are moving in the right direction. So ubone na ku social media uthola ukuthi uzobona isithombe of a group of lions bese kuba ne saying ngaphezulu ukuthi always walk with those who are walking in the same vision in the same direction. So I associate myself with abantu abakanjalo, hence the progress iyaqhubeka empilweni.
Ndoda vele ayiqala into singayiqala ngenza njalo.
Ake sithi mhlawumbe into engiyiphilayo uma uyiphila into njengokuthi ungavusa umfundisi ngo12 ebusuku akadingi neBhayibheli uzokutshela ivesi ehlala enhlizweni nawe futhi uqhubeke.
Umalume wami lo hamba naye ngoba phela ume umdluli shithi uma Manzimande so
awusukanini madoda shuthi ngahlanganisa ihlobo edukelele
umuntu oseyisiphoqo wena nje
awusukanini madoda lalela mfowethu kaZulu mfethu akekho umuntu oyisiphoqo kaZulu mfethu sonke sihlobene sonke nje siyihlobo sonke mangase kuthiwa uyayitrace zonke ithakazelo uyothuka usubona sekuhlanganozi kodwa uthi mengabe uyawucinga uzikodwa nakho nangapha uyawuthola kumaphumulo nakho nangapha usuyawuthola futhi usuyabona ukuthi hayi shuthi kahle sisonke so nami ningangikhipha ngaphandle niyadlala phakathi lapho nithi ngaphandle khona.
No bethu Fortune Nkwanyana kade ngisho ngithanda ukuthi umuntu othanda iresearch kakhulu ngizibhekela abantu nje kakhulukazi ma social media ukuthi bahambe ngizoba naye kwishow yami.
Yes
kwenzeka nje ngavela ngalithuka sengikwena ngase ngafisa ukuthi ngingazi kahle ukuthi Fortune Nkwanyana kahle umuntu onjani and then ngayenza iresearch yami ngabona ndani oyincane kakhulu le incane kakhulu kodwa khona la ngithema ngiyithola khona ngashada yabona ke le ndoda kumele ke ngibe nayo ke le.
Okay,
surprisingly wavesane wathi uzofika live avele kwaba mnandi kakhulu. Awusitshele ubani uFortune Nkwanyana ngifuna i-background yakho le muva kakhulu.
Hey madoda uzomangala mangikutshela ukuthi ngumfana okhulele khona la kaMaphumulo la nje esigodini sakwaMaqumbi. Uma wami ngokuzalwa yena ukhona lapha ubaba waseSteng eCrowdville la kuyikhona kamkhulu kubo kababa. So ngikhulele endaweni zombili ngine background encane yokukhula ngisemncane from la kwaMaqumbi right through to kwaDukuza eCrowdville la khona engase ngiqala ukufunda khona sengikhula in progress to what I was doing. So umfo waNkwanyana nje uNhlebekazi ezwa kanti ziyazi uzikode ushiya nje abanye beshiya amagada ngichelelene kakhulu ke nesintu sakithi ngiyayithanda but most importantly fanele ngikuhighlight lokho ukuthi I'm a young God-fearing man and I am what I am because of the grace of God.
Sure.
And kukho konke engikwenzayo lithizwi he blesses the work of our hands.
Yes,
so I hold that verse in my heart. Once I touch it, because of the grace that thing will turn into gold. So from a very young age, I've been exposed to my grandfather, who is a very God-fearing man, who's taught me so many values into believing in oneself. Which was not poor, but we could afford. We had food on the table and we made way.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
ngakhula ngafunda ekoleni ababanga phansi ngiqale ngafunda esikoleni sabantu lapha ekuthiwa Attenville first year no second year fast forward ngase ngingena eStenga ngifunda kwiStenga primary
Yeah. Yeah.
graduate nakhona was selected as a head boy in primary.
Yeah.
So head boy I was leading ama students basically ngisikhulumi sama students head prefect into kanjalo primary. So I went into high school as well. In high school it was the same story. I was doing very well with my grades. Nakhona I was elected to be head prefect, which is the head boy of the school, eStenga secondary, which I excelled the most. Khona lapho secondary. There's a lot of things that happened there when my career kick-started, the career yami public speaking. But before I reached that, I was selected as the head boy. Right after that, ngase ngikhethwa to be the president, SRC.
But why they chose you?
Njengoba ngisho, I am an individual who believes in excellence.
Okay.
In everything I do.
Okay.
I'm sure na ku social media uyobona njalo konke okufundayo egcineni kubhala ukuthi think excellence. Lo think excellence is not just a saying for fun, but it's a philosophy for me in which I believe and which I live by.